Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and I found something of interest along the highway between the towns of Demopolis and Forkland in Alabama, and it's called Jaybird's Hay Bale Art. It's a farm, and the farmer here has created a lot of art pieces, some with hay bales and some without. So let me show you what we got here. It's right along this highway about 8 miles north of Demopolis, Alabama. You recognize that? There's the address, and let's take a look around. There's a wooden cat, and looks like a polyvinyl bird watching over the men's garbage here. He may have invented this bicycle lawnmower. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is the first electric lawnmower. Got a little turtle here, and there is the Tin Man towering over my motorhome. There's the big guy. And you remember a cartoon called Cecil the Seasick Sea Serpent? That's what that reminds me of. I think that's supposed to be some kind of a bug. And here's a cockeyed hay bale. This one, I don't know what it's supposed to be or what that is. Here's some more characters. And this boat looks far away from where it should be. It looks like this guy fell over, and there was some kind of a sign here. This guy thinks he's the king. It's a really large acreage, and the objects are pretty far apart, so you have to walk around a lot. 5 o'clock is way off. That needs to be changed. And here's a one-eyed jack or something. Am I supposed to be afraid of something here? He must be a University of Alabama fan. And the rest of these, I suspect they all mean something special to the artist. Golf cart? Huh. And I guess they had a plane crash here. Looks like Snoopy hit a tree. That's what happened. And on the other side of the road coming in here is this guy looking out towards the highway. And then a few more bales over here. Oh look, the Tin Man got his heart. This looks like a chicken on a unicycle. And this cute lady got a little piggy here, I think it is. Folks, I think you're going to have to figure out for yourself what these are supposed to be. Here is a helicopter, obviously. But what is this? Whatever it is, it's patriotic. I don't know much about farming, but that looks like might be a hay baler. And look at the wheels on that race car. Wow. Well, folks, I'd say it's worth stopping to take a look if you're driving this way. Good day, folks.